Hey friends, consumer attorney Rob Nahum here. I wanted to talk for a couple of minutes about an issue that I'm growing more and more concerned about. As probably most of you know, we're all about to get a little bit of money in our bank accounts courtesy of the federal government. The stimulus package that was passed by Congress and signed by the president is going to give most families some well-needed cash right now. But what's got me really worried is what's going to happen to people who get that money and have been sued in a debt collection lawsuit and have gotten judgments against them. See, here in the state of New York, where my office is, and also in New Jersey, where I practice in addition to New York, if a creditor has sued you and got a judgment against you, one of the things they can do to enforce that judgment is they can freeze up your bank account and levy on certain money that's in that account. The question that I've been asking, and that I don't really have a clear answer to at this moment, is whether or not the money that we're getting from the federal government as part of the stimulus is protected from being restrained and levied that way. I've read through the relevant parts of the federal legislation, and I don't see anything in there that protects it. There are various state laws that do protect some kinds of money and make certain exemptions from levy for some kinds of money. What we don't know yet is whether or not those exemptions are going to apply to this money. So I am getting very concerned that stimulus that people really need in order to make rent and buy groceries and pay bills, I'm worried that stuff is going to be subject to a levy. So what I'm suggesting people do for the time being is as soon as the money gets in your account, get it out of there. Get it out of there. Put it in cash if you have to. Open up a new account that maybe a creditor isn't aware of. But right now, I don't see any protection. So get that money out of that account if you are a judgment creditor. That's if you've been sued by a debt collector and they have a judgment against you. If a creditor does freeze your bank account with the stimulus money in there and the bank doesn't apply the exemptions, there may be a remedy at court. We can go to court and ask a judge to apply the exemptions. So if you've gotten your bank account frozen and your stimulus money's been restrained, call a lawyer, call us. And we'll see if we can help you. One of the things we're also worried about is for the time being, the courts are basically frozen. They've been closed except for essential matters. It remains to be seen, and it may be decided on a court-by-court basis whether or not a restrained bank account in a debt collection lawsuit is an essential matter. So these are all questions that remain to be answered, and I just want to make sure that everyone's aware of the issue and is taking certain steps to protect themselves. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take care of each other. Love and light.